Another day, another story. Hey there, foodies and health-conscious individuals. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of delicious and nutritious morning routines with a twist. Get ready to revamp your breakfast game as we present 7 quick and easy vegan breakfast ideas for busy mornings. Whether you're a vegan veteran or just looking to add more plant-based options to your diet, these recipes will satisfy your taste buds and keep you energized throughout the day. So, let's jump right into the kitchen and whip up some mouth-watering vegan breakfast delights. 1. Energizing smoothie bowl. Let's kickstart our breakfast journey with an energizing smoothie bowl. Blend together your favorite fruits, a handful of spinach, a scoop of plant-based protein powder, and a splash of almond milk. Pour this vibrant mixture into a bowl and top with granola, sliced banana, and a sprinkle of chia seeds for that extra boost of energy. 2. Creamy avocado toast. Next up, we have a classic with a twist, creamy avocado toast. Mash ripe avocado onto whole grain toast, and then sprinkle with a pinch of red pepper flakes, a drizzle of olive oil, and a dash of salt and pepper. It's a simple yet satisfying breakfast that's packed with healthy fats and flavor. 3. Overnight oats with berries. For those hectic mornings, prepare overnight oats with berries the night before. In a jar, combine rolled oats, almond milk, a dollop of almond butter, and a handful of your favorite berries. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and you'll wake up to a creamy and nutrient-packed breakfast. 4. Peanut butter banana pancakes. Indulge in the goodness of peanut butter banana pancakes. Mash ripe bananas and whisk them with whole wheat flour, a spoonful of peanut butter, and a pinch of baking powder. Cook these fluffy pancakes in a non-stick pan, and serve them with sliced bananas and a drizzle of maple syrup. 5. Scrambled tofu breakfast burrito. Get ready for a savory delight with a scrambled tofu breakfast burrito. Sauté crumbled tofu with veggies like bell peppers, onions, and spinach. Season with turmeric, cumin, and nutritional yeast for that savory kick. Wrap the mixture in a whole wheat tortilla for a hearty and satisfying breakfast. 6. Chia seed pudding parfait. Let's embrace the power of chia seeds with a chia seed pudding parfait. Mix chia seeds with coconut milk and a touch of vanilla extract. Let it sit in the fridge to form a creamy pudding. Layer the chia pudding with fresh fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of agave syrup for a wholesome and delicious breakfast. 7. Nutty quinoa breakfast bowl. Last but not least, we have a nutty quinoa breakfast bowl. Cook quinoa and toss it with sliced almonds, dried fruits, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Drizzle with almond milk and a touch of maple syrup for a warm and comforting breakfast bowl that's both nutritious and satisfying. And there you have it. 7 quick and easy vegan breakfast ideas for busy mornings. These recipes prove that a plant-based breakfast can be both delicious and convenient, even on the busiest of days. If these vegan breakfast inspirations have your taste buds tingling, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more mouth-watering recipes and healthy living tips. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen on this culinary adventure. Remember, a nourishing breakfast is the perfect way to kickstart your day. Take care and happy cooking!